Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be exploring the best selfie drone available on the market this year. This list is based on my personal opinion, considering factors like price, quality, durability, and more information about these best selfie drone. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Capture life's best moments with the DJI Neo, an ultralight 135-gram selfie drone designed for effortless, high-quality aerial shots. Lighter than your phone and FAA registration-free, the DJI Neo is perfect for on-the-go creators. Just grab, go, and fly. With palm takeoff and landing, launching your drone is as simple as pressing a button, making it an excellent companion for hikes, family gatherings, and spontaneous adventures. Thanks to subject tracking and quick shots, Neo follows you seamlessly, ensuring smooth, cinematic vlogs without extra effort. Whether you prefer controller-free flight, voice control, or the mobile app, this drone adapts to your style. 4K ultra-stabilized video combined with level 4 wind resistance guarantees crystal-clear footage, even in challenging conditions. Plus, full-coverage propeller guards provide safe, worry-free flying indoors and outdoors. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a vlogger, or simply love capturing stunning memories, DJI Neo makes aerial photography effortless and fun. Elevate your content with professional-grade footage in the palm of your hand. Take your aerial photography to new heights with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, feature-packed, lightweight drone designed for creators and adventurers. Weighing under 249 grams, it requires no registration for most recreational flights, making it the perfect travel companion. Capture breathtaking 4K 60 FPS HDR vertical videos, ideal for social media, and experience crystal-clear 20 km FHD video transmission with lag-free precision. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures worry-free flying, even for beginners, while Active Shots 360 degrees tracking delivers smooth, professional-quality footage effortlessly. With up to 135 minutes of flight time, extended aerial adventures are within reach. The Smart Return to Home feature provides added security, while the immersive flight experience with RC Motion and goggles, sold separately, makes every flight exhilarating. Whether you're capturing a golden sunrise, filming a thrilling action shot, or simply exploring vast landscapes, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is the ultimate tool for stunning, hassle-free aerial content. Fly smarter, capture more, and tell your story in cinematic brilliance. Discover the Parrot ANAFI, a lightweight, ultra-portable 4K drone designed for adventurers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 320 grams, it unfolds in under 3 seconds and reaches speeds of 55 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced action. The 4K HDR camera with an f/2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens and 2.8x digital zoom delivers breathtaking 21 megapixels photos and crisp videos, ensuring you never miss a detail. With a 25-minute intelligent battery, enjoy extended flight times and fast charging via USB-C power delivery. Built for performance, ANAFI withstands winds up to 50 km per hour, keeping footage smooth and stable. The Parrot Sky Controller 3 remote enhances precision, while smart features like Geofence, Smart RTH, and Find My Drone ensure safety and ease of use. Whether you're an aerial photographer or an adventure seeker, the ANAFI drone is your perfect travel companion, offering software updates that enhance performance and unlock new features over time. Unfold the future of drone photography and take your creativity to the skies. Take your aerial photography to the next level with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a lightweight, foldable, and regulation-friendly drone designed for content creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it requires no registration in most regions, making it perfect for hassle-free flying. Capture stunning 4K HDR videos and true vertical portraits with the redesigned gimbal, ideal for social media sharing. Enjoy up to 34 minutes of flight time, or upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for an extended 47-minute adventure. Fly with confidence using tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0 for unmatched safety. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic time lapses, or cinematic tracking shots, intelligent features like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Quick Transfer make creating and sharing effortless. The DJI RCN1 controller offers seamless control, while the optional FPV experience with DJI Goggles 2 and RC Motion 2 immerses you in the thrill of flight. Portable, intelligent, and powerful, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the ultimate mini drone for big creative possibilities. The Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone. Designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, this easy-to-use drone features a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture distortion-free, stunning visuals. Share your breathtaking shots instantly with the intuitive mobile app. The altitude hold function ensures a stable and smooth flight, making it easy to focus on capturing perfect images. With headless mode, navigation becomes effortless, even when the drone is out of sight, while 3D flips add excitement to your flights. Experience next-level control with voice commands, gesture recognition, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor mode via the app. Equipped with 2 modular batteries, enjoy up to 20 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. Whether you're a beginner, a kid, or an aspiring aerial photographer, the HS110D makes flying fun, safe, and creative. Unleash your inner pilot and capture the world from above. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is the ultimate fun-filled flying toy designed for kids and beginners. With a 720p HD FPV camera and an 80 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures breathtaking aerial shots while streaming live video straight to your phone. Voice control and gesture selfies make flying interactive and exciting. Simply say a command or wave your hand to snap a photo. Perform 360 degrees flips with a single motion, and draw flight paths on the app for autopilot fun. With one-key start/landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, flying has never been easier. The gravity sensor allows seamless smartphone-based control, adding a new layer of excitement. Designed with safety in mind, it includes emergency stop, low-power alarms, and protective propeller guards, ensuring a worry-free experience. The lightweight, compact design makes it portable and perfect for indoor and outdoor adventures. Plus, with 2 modular batteries, you get up to 20 minutes of flight time. Whether for play, learning, or capturing cool moments, the D20 Mini Drone is the perfect gift for kids and beginners. The DRONEEYE 4 DV13 is the perfect beginner-friendly drone with an advanced 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera for capturing stunning aerial photos and live videos. Enjoy a real-time FPV experience by connecting your smartphone and viewing breathtaking scenes from above. One-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, and headless mode make it incredibly easy to fly, even for first-time users. With 2 rechargeable batteries, enjoy an impressive 32 minutes of total flight time for non-stop excitement. This drone is packed with fun features like 3D flips, rolls, and circle flights, bringing dynamic action to every flight. The waypoint function lets you draw a flight path on the app, and the drone will automatically follow it. Voice and gesture controls make flying even more interactive. Designed with safety in mind, the low-power alarm, emergency stop, and protective propeller guards ensure a secure flying experience. Whether you're a kid, beginner, or drone enthusiast, the 4DV13 is the ultimate choice for fun, creativity, and adventure in the sky.